Okay, so good morning, children. Most welcome. So before starting the discussing the question answers, I will again revise the last part. That is page number 78 and 79. Okay. So the decision by Peggy and Maddie. Two Peggy and Maddie are the two girls. So the decision by Peggy and Maddie to visit the Wanda's place. It was a exercise which proved futile. Why? By that time they reached, Wanda has already left the house. But the appearance of the house, the neat and clean appearance, though it was a small house, it was neat and clean, like Wanda herself. She was wearing shabby dresses, but always clean. Similarly, the house was short, not luxurious or some shining house. A small house, but neat and clean, like herself. So Wadi was thinking throughout the night, and uh, and there was the communication from Wanda, which made them more guilty that Wanda has given the dress, two pairs of the dress to the two girls who were teasing her most. So you see, if you want to punish your enemy, the best way to punish your enemy is to forgive your enemy. That Wanda has done rightly. If you take revenge, again the enmity will grow. It will not reduce. So Wanda has done the right thing. She had forgiven and made them more ashamed by gifting the dress. Okay. Then in page number 78, on the way, I am repeating some lines. On the way home from school, Maddie and Peggy held their drawings very carefully. All the houses had wreaths and holly in the windows. Outside the grocery store, hundreds of Christmas trees were there. So as it was Christmas, so Christmas is the time where we present and accept gifts from others. So that is the big festival. So it is the big festival of the Christians, and it is celebrated throughout the world with pomp and luxury. So they particularly give respect to the uh, Christmas tree and the act of presenting gift and accepting gift. So it was a something like a Christmas gift for them. Okay. Boy, said Peggy, this shows she really likes us. It shows she got our letter, and this is her way of saying that everything is all right, and that's all. That's it. I hope so. She felt sad because she knew she would never tell. So Wanda has not given them chance to beg excuse, to ask for forgiveness. So you asked forgiveness, but the person who is injured mentally is not ready to forgive. Are ready to forgive you? You don't know. So that's why Maddie was feeling more guilty. As we have discussed earlier, her background was also as poor as Wanda, and she was also wearing the second-hand clothes. That's why she was more guilty. Okay. She felt sad because she knew she would never see the little tight-lipped police girl again and could not even really make things right between them. So how to make the relationship normal? It was not possible because there is no scope. If I will meet her, I will mend my ways. But you did not get the chance to meet her. She made the situation like this without telling anybody anything. They just left the town because the letter of Wanda's father reveals that they could not tolerate the uh, this mockery and this teasing and telling names. All this they could not tolerate, so they decided to quit. But they did not give them chance to repent. She went home and she pinned her drawing over a torn place in the pink flowered wallpaper room. This heavy room came alive from the brilliancy of the colors. So her room was heavy, not good looking, but because of the drawing, the brilliance of the colors made it glow like a real home. You see, a gift from Wanda, who was wronged, who was insulted, who was humiliated also, could make her living place attractive. Maddie sat down on her bed and looked at the drawing she had stood by and said nothing but Wanda had been nice to her anyhow. So she remembered that Wanda has never reacted. Wanda has never paid back. Wanda never quarreled, never replied. So that made her more sad. That how could she do such an injustice to an innocent girl? So her conscience is pricking her. That why did I do such a bad thing? Tears blurred her eyes. Means blurring means not able to see. Blurring. Blur means uncleared, blurred. So she could not see properly because of the tears of repentance filling her ears and gazed for a long time at the picture. Gazed means looked. GAZED. So please refer to page number 79 from first flight. These are the words I am writing on the board. So tears blurred her eyes. Whose eyes? The eyes of Wadi. And she longed for a long time at the picture. Then hastily she rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. Hastily means quickly. Hastily, quickly. So she quickly rubbed her eyes and studied it intently. The colors in the dress were so vivid that she had scarcely noticed the face and head of the drawing. But it looked like a hair. Intently means with keen interest. Intently with keen interest. So now are with more attention, with keen interest, or with more attention, you can write. So now Maddie looked at the drawing because her eyes were filled with tears. She could not see the drawing properly, and she looked more with more interest. So at last she found that the drawing is actually the drawing belonged to her. So Wanda has drawn Wadi. That has been done. But looked like a hair Maddie. It really looked like her own mouth. Why it is looked like her own self? Wanda had really drawn this for her. Excitedly, she ran over to Peggy's. So after realizing that, Wanda has drawn the picture of Wadi. She could not control herself. What she did? She ran to Peggy. Peg, she said, let me see your picture. What is the matter? Asked Peggy as they clattered up to her room, where Wanda's drawing room was lying face down on the bed. So, clattered up means, clattering means making noise with shoes. The sound, clattering sound means the sound of the shoes of these girls. So, they went up, made sound with shoes. If you walk fast with shoes, no, that clattering noise will come. Okay. Was lying on the Maddie carefully raised it. Look, she drew you. That's you, she exclaimed. And the head and face of the picture looked like Peggy. So she had presented the pictures to these two girls, and the picture belongs to them. So she had drawn both Maggie, and Peggy and Maddie, both, and she has sent to them. What did I say? Said Peggy. She must have really liked us anyway. So she told because she liked her inwardly, she had
Good morning, sir.
So, okay, children, welcome back. So there was a network issue. That's why it was paused. The video was paused. Okay. So we will continue that though Wadi was consoling herself, Wadi and Peggy, tears of repentance were rolling down her cheeks because she imagines Wanda how miserable she must have felt when she was alone and standing in the corner alone. Sunny corner means during the bright day. Okay. In the schoolyard, looking stolidly over the group of laughing girls. Stolidly means looking without emotion at the laughing girls. So the girls were laughing and making fun of her. So that scene, Wadi remembered how bad Wanda would have felt that all the girls are combinedly teasing and laughing at her. So she remembered that she has presented them and drawn their own drawing, how she could forgive them so easily. So what insult they have given to Wanda, that was great. After she had walked up, after she had said, sure, 100 of them all lined up. Okay. So she told that not only Wanda was liked by us, she liked all the girls. So she had forgiven all the girls. So we should forgive our enemies. So forgiveness is the best punishment given to your enemy. That is the lesson we learn from this chapter. Yes. Shall we go to the comprehension check? Okay. Who are there? Pragya is there.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. You are silent, so I was thinking you are not there. Vinisa, Pragya, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Actually, these boys, actually, we should check. Ishant. Boys, Ishant present. See, these fellows have opened the camera and gone from there.
Anashika present, sir.
Sir.
No, I know girls are a bit sincere. They will.
Sir,
give it.
Vinisha present.
Okay, okay. I will take by mail your attendance, but these boys, no, they are cheating themselves. Okay. Nishant also not there. Ishant is not there. How Nishant will come? Two brothers. Okay, be faithful to your brother. Remain absent from class. Okay. We should be loyal to our brother, not to our studies. Okay, we'll start with the comprehension check. So in English, there is a proverb. No, I will tell you that who its meaning you have to tell. Catering falls before a swine. What is its meaning? Meaning, who will tell? Pragati will tell. Meaning of this proverb. It means giving. Who will tell? Manali is there, na? Manali not there today. Okay. Who can tell this meaning of this? Catering falls before a swine. What is the meaning? Giving worthy things to an unworthy person. To an so according to the need of the person, we should deliver the things. Okay. Shall I rub? Or you don't write this? This is off the record.
Okay, sir.
This is proverbs are there. No, they are told by our parents that this is wisdom actually. Proverbs are wisdoms told by our parents orally. They are not qualified. They have not gone to any school or university. But by experience, whatever they say, that always turns out to be true. Always true. If you follow in life that whatever proverbs in Hindi, in English, or in your mother tongue, whatever is there, if you study them, no, there is some truth is there. Some kind of truth is there because our generation may change, technology may change, everything may change, but some universal truths will never change. Okay, so we used to read in the childhood in Sanskrit, Shraddhavan Lavate Vidya. Shraddhavan Lavate Vidya means if you are curious to know, you will get Vidya. Vidya means the lesson or the learning. So earlier it was like that. Those who were Shraddhavan means those who were interested to learn, they were learning. Now because of the universalization of education, everybody is taking the education. As a result, no, the education's gifts are same, but the fruits, whatever the products, they are coming differently. So let me come to oral comprehension check, page number 79. What did the girls write to Wanda? Okay, they wrote that the girls wrote to Wanda that her drawing was nice and she was selected. Sorry, she won the first prize. Okay, so and all the class, they are remembering her and praising her. This is the content which is told by the girls to Wanda. Did they get a reply? No, they did not get any reply. Who was more anxious for a reply, Peggy or Maddie? How do you know? Maddie. Maddie was more anxious for a reply because she was trying for a chance to mend her error. To mend means to repair. Maddie was in search of an opportunity to mend her mistake. Mend her mistakes, or you can say to make amends. To make amends means to change. To make amends. To mend her mistake or to make amends. Maybe only. How did the girls know that Wanda liked them even though they had teased her? So Wanda communicated the feeling to her class teacher, and they were each given the picture as a word or as a word prize from Wanda. So they thought that Wanda had forgiven her. She had presented them the gifts on Christmas in spite of the bad things they did to her. She had no revenge attitude. She showed that she is greater than them. She presented them their own by drawing their own drawing. Both girls' drawings she made and she presented. That's why they felt more guilty. But they thought that she has excused them. Okay. So thinking about the text, we will go. This one is over. You please note down. We will go to thinking about text. Okay. Please write down. We will go to the next one.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Very good. Now you please see the question answer part.
Noted, sir.
Very good. So school will open on 1st September. We want to see the notebooks. Please make it ready. Now,
Yes, sir.
now the days are coming. The school will reopen. So all the notebooks will be checked and mark will be given. 5 marks for notebook, 5 marks for ASL. ASL means assessment of listening and speaking. That we will do when you come to school. No, that we will do assessment of ASL means assessment of listening and speaking. ASL test. 5. Notebook 5 in English.
सर ऐसा क्या होगा?
ASL मतलब assessment of listening and speaking skill. So one audio will be played to you, and based on the audio, no, it will be played 2-3 times. So one worksheet will be given. So their question will be there. Listening the audio, you will answer. Mark will be given. 5 questions, 2 marks each, 10 marks like this. You will listen again and again. It will be replayed. So you will listen and worksheet, no, your name you will write, and that audio will be played again and again, and you will listen, and audio will be stopped. You will write and submit your answer sheet. This is ASL. Okay. So it will be done, and also your notebooks will carry 5 marks. So please keep them tidy and keep them ready. And whatever projects or assignments you are keeping, please keep ready, hard copy and soft copy both in all subjects, so that also will carry some weight. Now term wise result will be published, no? So in the first term and second term both will be together. At last your 10th class mark will be that one. Together term 1 plus term 2, how much you got? That is your total performance, that way. Okay, so let us go to question answers part. Textual questions are there. Number 1, why do you think Wanda's family moved to a different city? Do you think life there was going to be different for their family? Because I told no, they felt that Wanda was teased all the time, and also because of her name she was teased, and she was insulted because of her dress and her long name. So the family decided that the new city will be a better place for them. It will be a better place because in a big city, it will be cosmopolitan in nature. People, new city, you can adjust better. That's why they moved to a big city. Number 2, Maddie thought their silence was as bad as Peggy's teasing. Was she right? Yes. Why? Because when her silence, okay, so you can write in number 2, her silence encouraged Peggy to tease more to Wanda. If you remain silent, no, if one is teasing, you should discourage. At least you would have told, okay, let her go. Why are you troubling her? One word. She didn't say anything. So because of her silence, Peggy continued teasing Wanda. So she thought that if she would have told some word, Peggy should not have dared to tease Wanda. If she would have opened her mouth. But she did not do. Why? Because she was afraid that if I will open my mouth, she will tease me also. I will be the subject of teasing. That's why she did not open mouth. Okay, understood? So if she would
Yes,
have
sir.
told something, Peggy would have not done so much teasing. One. Second one was that she was afraid that if she opens her mouth, she also will be insulted and humiliated like Wanda. So she kept quiet. Third is that Peggy says, I never thought she had the sense to know we were making fun of her anyway. I thought she was too dumb. And Gee, look how she can draw, which led to believe that Wanda was dumb. So they believed that Wanda was dumb. Okay. Because she tells, I have 100 dresses. She knows that everybody will laugh at me. But in spite of that, she is telling 100, I have 100 dresses. And that's why Peggy thought Wanda was dumb. If a poor girl comes with the same dress every day and tells that I have 100 dresses, others will laugh. Do you think others will not think she is mad or she is stupid? She is dumb. So Peggy thought that she is stupid because though she is telling I have 100 dresses, but not a good dress she is having. Not a good pair of dress she is having, but she is telling I have 100 dresses. So she thought that Wanda was dumb. So she later on saw that really Wanda had 100 dresses because she, along with everyone, was highly impressed by Wanda's artistic talent. She could draw 100 dresses. How? Because of her artistic talent. They appreciated her. That's why Wanda was a very good artist. So she changed her opinion. So when Wanda was physically telling, I have 100 dresses, they were laughing, making fun of her. And they thought that Wanda was idiot. She was dumb. She was telling like this. But later on, हाँ सर क्लास ले रहा हूँ बाद में फोन करता हूँ ओके so they thought that she is dumb and she is not telling anything, but when they realized that she had really drawn 100 dresses, they appreciated her artistic talent. Okay, then you see third one. What important decision did Maddie make? She made the important decision. She would never support for wrong things. She would never stand by somebody who was doing wrong. If anybody, any innocent child or any innocent girl will be ridiculed, teased, insulted, humiliated, she will oppose and raise her voice. This is the important decision taken by Wadi. She took the decision that if somebody is humiliated, insulted, and without having any reason, teased, she will not keep quiet. She will raise her voice. That was the important decision taken by Maddie. Why did she have to think hard to do so? Because she did not get the chance to amend her behavior towards Wanda. She did not get chance to change her relation with Wanda. So that she felt much, and that's why she decided so. Clear? Clear? No? Or I will repeat.
No, sir,
No,
clear.
sir, clear.
Clear, sir.
Clear, clear. Now let us go to third one. Third we have done. Fourth we have done. Now fifth. Why do you think Wanda gave Maddie and Peggy the drawing of the dress? Why are they surprised? Okay, Wanda presented them the drawing of the two dresses in order to prove that she had 100 dresses. She wanted to prove herself that when they were teasing her, telling that this girl has no 100 dresses, but she wanted to prove that I have 100 dresses, so she presented them. They thought she is a liar. No, they thought she is a liar, telling lies. She had no dress, but no 100 dresses. But she wanted to prove that she had 100 dresses, so she presented it. Okay. So she proved also that she had a large and forgiving heart. Write this word, large and forgiving heart. This is very touchy sentence. Touchy expression. Large and forgiving heart. Large means not physically large, but have the ability to endure. That is called large. The ability to tolerate. This is called large heart. Okay. So she gifted those beautiful designs with their face. Then let us go to number 6. Do you think Wanda really thought the girls were teasing her? Why or why not? Okay. Wanda knew that. Answer number 6. Wanda was not foolish. She knew that they were teasing her. But in spite of that, she was submissive and forgiving nature. Submissive and forgiving nature. For number 6, you write this phrase, submissive and forgiving nature. She knew that they were teasing her, but she was submissive and forgiving. So she forgave them. Not that she was not knowing, she knew it, but she was forgiving them because of her good nature. Good nature. Okay. So it is done. Almost 6 are done. So we will adjective one chapter is there. Some exercises are there. So on adjective, I will tell you what is an adjective and different types of adjective. Then we will discuss. So 2 word waves are there. So positive and negative adjectives we have to write. Okay. Shall I rub this? These
Yes, sir.
expression you remember.
Yes, sir.
Now 2 word waves are there. In one positive adjectives are there. In one negative adjectives are there. So what are adjectives? Let me tell you that adjectives means noun qualifiers.
Visheshan.
Noun qualifiers. What do you mean by noun qualifier? If it is gives more information about the noun. So any naming word is noun. Ram. Ram is a noun. Hari is a noun. Table is a noun. Fool is a noun. Everything is a noun. Any name is a noun. So which qualifies as a boy, girl, anything you say that is a noun. But when you say smart girl, you are adding one adjective to girl, noun. So this is noun, this is adjective. Very simple. So this is giving some more information about the noun, it is adjective. So 2 word waves are there. We have to choose the appropriate adjective for Maggie, for Peggy, for Maddie and for Wanda. This is the question. So see the word wave in your book. In the middle, one positive and negative. So there are positive and negative 2 word waves are there. Okay. All positive words are there one side, all negative words are there other side. We have to segregate first, then we have to use them. For Wanda and Peggy, Maddie, many words are there. We have to choose them. How to express these three people? What are they? For example, for Peggy, you can use sarcastic. Sarcastic means one who tells the things in a sarcastic way. Okay.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
लेफ्ट हो गया दीदी।
Okay, there was a network disruption, children. Now we have got it back. Okay. These three, there are other words: generous, talented. Many words are there. Three only I have chosen. You can choose more. So for three people, it is characters of the story, appropriate adjectives. Okay. So characters and appropriate adjectives, some we have written, some more are there. For example, generous, you can write for her. Large-hearted, you can write. Generous, you can write. Okay. So we will continue in the next period, children. Okay. Till now, okay, we will end the class. All the best. Okay. Shall we end the class? Or you want to
Yes,
copy,
sir.
copy from the board?
Sir, noted.
Okay. Okay.